Yo, what up guys? On today's video, I'm gonna be painting the center console. It's all scratched up and yeah, it just looks ugly. Along with the bottom one, you can see how the paint is faded everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that and I'm gonna paint it. I also wanted to paint these panels right here, but the paint I was looking for, I couldn't find it. They're out of stock. I went to Home Depot, I checked auto parts, and yeah, they didn't have it. So just for this video, I'm gonna be painting the center console. And we'll see it before and after. Alright guys, so I here have both pieces. I masked off the shift boot area. Took out the AC buttons and shit, hazards. Same thing here. I cleaned them up. Yeah, that's about it. I cleaned them up with an alcohol just to get anything, all dirt and shit off of it. And now I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do 3 coats and 10 minutes 10 minutes in between of each coat. So yeah, I'm gonna do the first coat now. Alright guys, so far I'm 2 coats in. I'm waiting for the second coat to dry. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I say I'm gonna do like maybe like 3-4 coats max. Probably 4 coats max, but yeah, looks good. Alright guys, so I'm done. Did 4 coats on both. They've been drying for like 10 minutes already, but I'm gonna let them dry for at least 10 more minutes before I start touching them. So I gotta put the radio back, the gauges back, AC gauges. But yeah, that's how it looks, guys. Let me guys show you in the sun how it shines. There you go. Yeah, it looks good. Show you guys the other piece. Alright guys, well here you have it, finished product. Sorry I didn't do like I didn't show like me taking everything apart and everything, but it's pretty easy. But yep, looks pretty good. The reason I did this was because I just want to work on my interior. Like I said before, I want to keep it like, you know, the outside is clean. I want to make the inside pretty clean as well. I need to get rid of this radio. This shit is ugly. Yeah, tell me what you guys think. I need a shift boot. Paint those things. And yep. Or I could get a carbon fiber little. I know they sell the carbon fiber thing for this. I don't know if it's on eBay or what. Could probably get that too. But yep. Sorry about no racing video, guys, but I haven't fixed her yet. I did order what I need. I did order it. I just need to well, I didn't wait for it to get here to install it, but I do have it, guys. It's on the way, guys. It's on the way. And also I have my appointment with Martin to tune the 15th of this month, so stay tuned for that. I'm finally tuning, guys. I don't know about going E85 yet, unless I come across a good deal for a pump and injectors, then I will. But if I don't, I'll just stay 93, and then whenever he comes down again, I'll retune on E85. But yep.
Rest in peace, Tina Marie. Ethics and values, mob traditions, old fashioned. Monopoly action. Ronnie Vine up Brentwood like he's still in Akron. A lot of pain, a lot of passion.
Alright.